Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have fallen in love all over again with American Girl dolls. And I like, excuse me, I like to sew for them. And I bought one of these books and really liked it. It is a pattern book with instructions. And I saw this one on eBay. I should have said I bought these on eBay. And I thought, you know, for that price, I'm going to go, oh, wow, I'm going too fast. People are going to want to see that. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. Hoodie. Yeah, I'm going to be making those for next fall. I live in a hoodie. All winter, I have hoodies on. We go out, even when we're going somewhere nice, I have a hoodie, and I have it tied around my neck for extra warmth. Oh, wow, these are really cute. Now, where are the patterns? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. They said the patterns were here. They are not. All right, I'm going to have to contact them. No patterns. Well, that's
disappointing.
That's very disappointing because those are cute outfits. I also have been buying, and I left these out to show you, the miniature American Girl dolls. Really have fallen in love with those. I've been making clothes, particularly historic items, recreations, my own rendition of try to hit it close but not totally on because you can't find fabrics. And then I do a miniature to stand beside the 18-inch. I'm also doing a collab coming up, and I bought a new stand, and I'm really thinking I'd like to get girls in their original outfits. They don't have to be pristine, but, you know, cute ones that have their original clothes.
Fill it with unique ones.
Yeah, well, that, you know, I'm going to need
Was there 12 or
2 or 3 more of those.
those?
It holds 12. I promise you, in the next few days, we have more than that coming in the mail.
Well, duplicates don't count.
Yeah. And these actually have a purpose.
Sure, you love them and dress
Yeah,
them. And
like this one. I mean, I can clean her up and put the little shoes on you make, and she can stand with Kit, Carolyn. And look, she even still has her little, I mean, is she perfect? No, but is she cute enough? I mean, these girls need to be loved too. Carolyn, Kit, in a different outfit. Oh, which outfit will I choose?
oh my God, you're going to have a shelf for each doll so you can.
So I said
show
I'm going to
all their
need more.
outfits.
I bought that American Girl doll miniature stand. It was a limited,
Shelf.
limited edition shelf that holds 12 of the miniature dolls. And I think I know where I want to hang it. And I think I want to get some dolls in better shape than some of these, like this. Now that looks like an original dress, doesn't it? That is made for I don't know who, but I'd like to know because that's pretty cute. Now Kit and Julie, why can't I think of her name today, have collabs coming up. Let's open this other box. Use that for patterns. Boy, I'm upset about that book. I'm going to have to contact them right away because I bought the others and all the patterns were there. I like the ones where the patterns are in the book. Oh boy, this one's really, really sealed. And you just copy them because then they stay right with it. The ones that you cut out in the back, I don't like so much because those pieces get lost. And boy, this is a big box for, wow, I need that box for the Happy Meals we have going out. All right, let's see who's in here. This feels like just one doll, one little bitty doll. It is. I do have a lot of these coming. I got some birthday money and I went nuts on eBay. Oh, wow, see? Isn't she darling? Oh, Caroline. Oh, see? Now, see, these would be just fine on the shelf. I'm kind of afraid to run a comb through there because sometimes you straighten it. So we'll do a little test right there, but I might just leave that alone. But are they darling? Look at this. They even have little pantaloons and, oh, so cute. I have fallen in love with these AG all over again. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please let me know, do you own any of these little miniature AG dolls? They're just adorable. I was going to say, I pay about $10 average on eBay for these dolls. They're just so cute. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.